di pensare alla nostra famiglia, le memories, ricordi, ok? Anche se la persona non c'è più, però c'è questa bellissima ricordi. White Christmas. If you know it, please sing with me.
Listen to hear sleigh bells in the snow.
Hi guys, welcome to another video. This video I'll show you Ancona during the night on the old town, and as of now, you know, it's December, so it's like almost Christmas, and I'll show you how Ancona looks like on this season. Let's go. So today is Saturday night, and there's a lot of people on the old town, and that's why you're gonna see it's very crowded here at the moment. So since the start of first week of December, when they started to put the Christmas tree here, they start to have a Saturday like show in the middle of Plaza de Roma here in Ancona. So here it is.
Questo tempo è stato molto special, molto bellissima, sperimentale, non solo qua in Italia, per di pensare alla nostra famiglia, le memories, ricordi, ok? Anche se la persona non c'è più, però c'è questa bellissima ricordi. White Christmas. If you know it, please sing with me.
So after the Plaza Roma, there is this like a Changi shop here, and going until to the next plaza, and you'll see there's a lot of people selling here. It's like so the streets that we just walked through there, that's Corso Gribaldi, and now we're here on the Piazza Camiglia, which is much better. Check it out. So it's the ice skating, I could say, is the main event here for Ancona, which a lot of kids and even old people are doing the ice skating. It's there. So this waffle stand, normally it's with full of line. Now it's a little bit late, probably. They still have a line, but not long anymore. So now it's time for my stop of coffee. It's cold, so I'll bring you to my spot here in Ancona on Piazza di Camiglia. This is the coffee way. Let's have coffee. So actually guys, this is my coffee spot here in Ancona. Every time I want to have a nice coffee, I come here and coffee my way, and coffee is real nice here. So this is Rosa. I recommend to have a nice pizza and gelato on this shop, Rosa. So welcome to Plaza de Pope. This is the Pope's Plaza. So that's the show of the Maserati car, racing car. They have a show there, and the car looks nice. That's it for this vlog, guys. Happy holidays. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please click the subscribe button, like the video if you like so, and thank you for watching. Until next time, bye bye.